Hi, I'm Steve, one of the owners here at Bricks and Minifigs in Monroe. And welcome to Cooking with Steve, Lego style. Today we're going to make Technic Lasagna. I've got my cooking space all prepared here. Got my ingredients over here ready to go, so let's get started. Our first ingredient is going to be lift arms. I got some thin ones here to add to it. Spread out our first layer. There we go. And okay, our next layer in our lasagna, our Technic Lasagna, is going to be some wheels. I got some big ones here. I'm just going to lay them out. Boy, it almost looks like pepperoni or something. In fact, we've got so many wheels. I'm just going to sprinkle some on there. That's layer number 2. Right, layer number 3. Any good lasagna needs some sauce. We just got lots of little parts and pieces. Spread that all over. Like that. All right, for layer 4, we got some panels. It sort of feels like putting pasta down, you know, but I got a lot of panels, so I'm just gonna spread that out there. And along the lines of pasta, spaghetti. Okay, maybe it's not lasagna, but you know what? It's my recipe. Okay, layer number 5. Gonna need some more sauce, but this one I gotta mix separately. So I got some parts here, and I got some parts here. Some axles here, and some other just bits and pieces, trying to add some chunkiness to this sauce. Sort of mix it all up, and we'll spread it out on our lasagna here. All right, layer number 6. This is probably the most exciting layer of all. Sort of some specialty toppings. Gears. Couldn't possibly have cooking without gears. And we got a lot of gears. All right, we're almost done. We got just a couple other things. One last thing to put on top. These are sort of some specialty things. Boy, I don't know, interesting parts. And gearboxes and springs and, I don't know, piston things. Fun topping for our lasagna. All right, I thought we were done, but we forgot the most important topping, most garnishment. Every lasagna can have some salt. We're gonna sprinkle some salt on here. All these little bushings and things. And then top it off. One more thing forgot to mention is the timing for all of this is handled by these electronic brains. I don't have to do any work. So thank you for watching Cooking with Steve, our first, probably last edition, but I wanted to also mention here in Bricks and Minifigs at Monroe, we're going to be celebrating International Lego Day this Saturday, January 25th. Stay tuned for more details, or just come out and come have a good time on Saturday. This is available in our bulk table right now.